Hi everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here. Today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. This one has a dark wood grain trim there as well. Sunroof, blind spot assist, CRE 350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. You can see that wood grain trim here again, as well as the silver accents and the premium Burmester sound system throughout this vehicle. Rear seats, another look at that sunroof, both front and rear. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. We do have memory seats for both driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats in both driver and passenger. See the controls here for those, with the driver door controls below, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage is currently at 8,833, and we have a push button ignition. See our Mercedes-Benz display here with navigation, backup camera, and radio. And you can control the display there with the command module right down here. So this vehicle does have the LED ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. So find that in the door handles, throughout the dash, floorboards. And those are all fully customizable here within the menu system. So all kinds of various colors, brightnesses, do multicolors and animations or just single colors. Pretty cool. Below the display we have our climate control and cup holder and center console storage. Now if you're interested in seeing any photos or learning anything more about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.